In those days, you had the imported all materials for the stage show of Hamlet, whole costume, whole wigs for Sunil Dutt from London.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And we did a fantastic stage
And
item. We effected the Heer Raja and the water and everything.
Shakespeare's plays.
We brought everything. And how did you manage such a wonderful music? Because till today, this Neele Gagan ke Tale has been transferred into bhajans, into everything we see. And it was such a simple song, very beautifully written, of course, and we pictured beautifully in Kullu. That was the one most important thing of the film.
I think I can only take the credit of thinking of those songs and the contents of those songs. But the credit goes to Sahir Ludhianvi, who, even the opening song, Neele Gagan Ke Tale, the whole thing was based on that song, Neele Gagan Ke Tale.
Or the theme song just mentioned, कि न मुँह छुपा के जियो न सर झुका के जियो, गम को दौर भी आए तो मुस्कुरा के जियो.
This is something.
There was the turning point of the story of the girl's character.
That girl was able to. It could save her. Okay, this girl, her father says, "You marry this man. You get married." She said, "No, I don't want to get married." And that boy who comes and sings the song, "Na muh chupa ke jiyo," the girl fell in love with this boy.
Yeah. I just felt, I remember, because I was your sister at that time, there was a sequence, a fight between Sunil Dutt and Rajkumar.
In the hospital, in the room of
hotel room. Till lunch, nobody's shooting could take place because Rajkumar was adamant that how could Sunil Dutt beat me? The personal reflections, personal egos came into the character. You try to explain him, this is not Rajkumar Sunil Dutt, my dear.
But you perhaps don't know. You perhaps don't know what really happened. You are working in a room of a hotel. It is at that when Sunil Dutt comes to know that this is the room where things have happened. He knocked at the door, and there we find
Rajkumar sitting.
And there they cut the story and all. And at that time, Mr. Sunil Dutt, first of all, it was that we had decided that Rajkumar will beat him.
Yeah.
Later on, I said, no, Rajkumar will not beat him. Rajkumar cannot have that kind of a character. So I put the pistol in the hands of Sunil Dutt. But to my utter surprise, Mr. Rajkumar went to the office.
Yeah.
I followed him. Kya hua? He said, no, I can't work like this. You have snatched away my you have not snatched away. We had to discontinue the shooting.
I remember.
And I had to buy the furniture of that room. This will be done again sometime.
And we put up the set in the studio.
And then we put it in the studio, and then again we did it again. And that's how, of course, those things are there.
No more, those atmosphere, those guts, those things are no more now. I would like to give one information to the people. This Sarika, who played a small role in that film, it was your introduction of Sarika, who became a big actress. Now she's Mrs. Kamal Hassan. That was her first film.
But do you know how she came to us? You see, we have a United Producers Association, which used to hunt for stars, and they used to hold competition every year. That year also was there with a competition. And while the people, in those days, you know, this man, Rajesh Khanna came in. And while they were going away, they were being done, somebody walks in. You don't take a child artist? Okay, let's see. When I saw the child, I was completely floored. I said, child is this. So we took her, and she became
she was brilliant.
As a child artist, she was very outstanding. Yeah. Particularly when she was sitting in the box, in the end, you know, when she was sitting in the theatre.
You would like any favorite scene of Hamraz, of your favorite scene in the film?
My favorite scene is the same which I have just narrated to you, that the two husbands meet and how this story is. That is my favorite story, because that was the crux of this whole thing. The story unraveled itself there, where Mr.
He comes to
see-
know this is. I think we don't want to hold you too long. You have the pleasure of watching Hamraz, the great film directed by the great producer director Mr. B.R. Singh. All the best to you.
Let